Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming voucher details and PIN. This saves time and avoids errors. Dial the provider UST code or enter the recharge menu. Once done, input the 14-digit PIN exactly. Make sure to avoid extra spaces or pauses because the system validates each digit. If you use the menu, follow prompts. Choose recharge, enter code, and confirm. Knowing the value helps you plan bundles versus direct airtime, so check the amount before confirming the transaction. Once the PIN is accepted, decide, convert to airtime or apply toward a bundle. You select the correct menu option because bundles may give bonus data or minutes. If using UST, enter the exact sequence such as 123 *PIN hash or follow interactive prompts. Confirm by pressing OK or Send. Make sure to read the confirmation message because it shows new balance and validity period. If you need data, pick the bundle that matches your usage. This saves money and avoids wasted credit. You finish by waiting for the SMS confirmation. This verifies successful recharge and shows new balance plus expiry. If you do not receive confirmation, first re-enter the PIN carefully and check mobile signal because weak coverage can interrupt the process. Also verify the voucher expiration date. Expired vouchers fail silently. If problems persist, contact support and provide the voucher serial, PIN, if safe, and transaction time to speed resolution. This helps recover value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.